Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on how to add CSS in HTML documents. And right now, we will be discussing about CSS cascading order. What style will be used when there is more than one style specified for HTML element? All the styles in a page will cascade into a new virtual style sheet by the following rules, where number 1 has the highest priority. First, inline style inside HTML element, external and internal style sheets in the head section and the browser support and the browser default. So an inline style has the highest priority and will override in external and internal styles and browser defaults. So let me show you for example of this. This is our code which we have in our previous tutorial, and as you can see, we are having this where we discuss about CSS multiple style sheets. So multiple styles. Then I say for instance now, this is our internal style sheet. We copy it like this, remove it, we place immediately after our external style sheets. This is our internal. The internal is having to open it so you can see what is there. It's having color red, right? The internal is having color green. The external is having color red. So let's give our H1 right here style attribute. Let's give it color blue. Yes, let's give it color blue, and give this also color blue. And let's call this color blue violet, and let's give this one also another color. Let's use color aqua. Let's save our document and reload the document. Can you see? Now it is funny when we have all this. Definitely the styles comes from, we firstly have border. The border, so the only style we are taking from this external style sheet is this border solid 1. Let me change this to solid 5 so you can be able to understand the scope here. Let's save our document and change it to solid 5. Let's reload. Can you see we are having the border from our external file? Now let's change this our color right here to black so you can understand the thing that I'm trying to figure out. Can you see nothing changed to black right here? That is the benefit of using that is the benefit of testing all this. And this text align also is nowhere to be found again. Let's change this to text align left. You are going to see nothing will change. Can you see? Nothing changes. So definitely you should know that it's only border 5 pixel solid that we are able to use from this our external style sheet, because we have override the rest properties with our internal style sheet. As you can see, we're having text align end and the color green. So as you can see, this is our text align. Our text align is here, which is end, as you can see. But the color also, because we have override the color from the internal style sheet, we have override it using our inline CSS. Our inline CSS is now overriding this internal style sheet. That's why there is no way you can control everything here down. Looking at the way they function, this one right here you are seeing is called inline CSS. So this inline CSS is now overriding this color that is here, and this text align that is here also is now overriding the text align that is here, which is center. It's no more in center again. Let's now say for instance now we remove this text align end from this one, right? Let's say our document are reload. Can you see? Definitely we are taking text align center from this place. But if definitely we define another text align right here, it will override the text align center which we have inside our external file. So let's now say for instance now, let's say for instance you carry this style sheet right here now, you take it at the top. It's at the top of this file. Definitely know how this one is going to have anything again. We are not going to use anything from this one again. Definitely, can you see now? We are taking the text align center from this external style sheet. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. So you should try this by yourself so you can be able to know how they function. So I've discussed about multiple style sheets in our previous tutorial. Then you can check it, and also when you check it, come and check this one also so you can be able to know how the style sheets function. This is the cascading style sheet. So this way we do it here right here, because we specify inline CSS. So the inline CSS will override the internal or external style sheet you can ever have, and because we specify internal style sheet after our external style sheet, the external style sheet will override the internal style sheet. So let's now say we specify the internal style sheet. Let's say for instance now we now specify the internal style sheet after our external style sheet. Definitely our external style sheet will override the internal style sheet. So that's how it works. Please practice this, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do that, nobody will do it for you. And what akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time in our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.